Welcome to DIY RV and Home, Camper's Life. Today you're cooking with Greg. And on the Blackstone, what's on the menu? Well, we're going to be making egg roll in a bowl. Now, we are dispersed camping in Arizona. We're actually at Round Mountain Rockhound. It's a BLM area, and we're like 12 miles off the road and 10 miles from the nearest city once you get on that road or town. So what we usually try to do is we try to pre-plan our meals so we get all of our ingredients that we need. We did that this time, and we forgot to grab green onions. So no green onions in this. This is called cooking with Greg and cooking by the seat of your pants kind of thing. Ingredients, well, you can watch the video and figure out what I'm going to put into it. Quantities, well, it's whatever your taste buds tell you to do. All right, so we're not using green onions. We're going to use some white onions in the cooking process. We're also going to throw some mushrooms in there. Why not? We've got some mushrooms. We're going to throw that in there. So let's start out by getting our sausage. Now this is just breakfast sausage that we're going to be using, pork sausage. So we're going to get that browning up. While we're doing that, we're going to throw the mushrooms and onions over here on the other side so they can start cooking themselves. Now, to help with the cooking process on the onions and mushrooms, I'm going to just throw a little bit of water down just so it'll kind of help steam it, get it going. Of course, just a touch of salt. Remember, we're using egg roll and bowl, so we're going to have some soy sauce. Grab some pepper. There we go. So for my ingredients, I've got a half a pound of pork sausage, a quarter white onion, about a quarter cup of mushrooms, 1 bag of coleslaw to go in, mix. I've got about that much of garlic and that much of ginger. Here, get the measurements you need. Also going to be throwing some sesame seeds down. Why not? Right? Got a little bit of sesame oil put on top. And we're going to be using just a splash of regular soy sauce, and then we've got some low sodium soy sauce that we're going to be putting in tonight. That's it, really. And yes, as you notice, I'm going to do this all on a Blackstone. This is not a one bowl, this is a one Blackstone meal. If some of the onions and mushrooms get over here in the sausage, oh well, that's alright. It's all getting mixed together eventually, right? Just want to make sure that that sausage is thoroughly cooked. I'm starting to see some sweating of mushrooms, starting to see a little translucent on the onions. You know those are doing good. This is really a quick process, quick meal. You know, your biggest thing is rounding up your meat, getting your meat cooked properly. Alright, okay, now let's just put this right over here. Let it keep cooching a little bit, cooking a little bit. Why don't we go ahead and just throw this on top right now. Get that in there, get that starting to cook down. Get those flavors starting to mix and meld and Oh, now I can smell the garlic and I can smell that ginger. Oh yeah. There we go. Leave that down so it can keep cooking. Let's get this bag opened up, get it down. You know, I've seen some videos where this made this process into about a 10-minute process to cook. I don't think it's all that long. Grab a little more agua. How about some salt? Just a touch. Get us some pepper down. And yeah, I'm using the shaker, not the fresh today. And really all I'm trying to do is just get it warm, start getting it a little bit tender. But I like a little bit of that snap still on the veggies on this. Take our soy sauce. Now I don't have much of the regular, so we're just gonna dump all that in there. Now, our low sodium. If you don't like the low sodium, stay with your big sodium. That's it. There we go. That looks about right. Get it all thoroughly mixed together. Get all them juices all over your coleslaw mixture, your cabbage, however you want to make it. Like I said, I'm going to use some sesame seed also. Oh yeah. Just add a little bit of extra texture. Touch of flavor. Last thing, before I finish, sesame oil. Why not? That's it. Let's mix it. Turn the burgers off. Now let me get a bowl. Make it presentable, right? Stir it up here. We're going to try it real quick before we take it in. That bowl is hot, hot, hot. Now take a look at that. Oh yeah. I don't know what my wife's doing for dinner. I know what I'm doing for dinner. Anyways, I think she heard me. Anyways, this is Cooking with Greg from DIY RV and Home and Camper's Life. My version of the egg roll in a bowl. Boondocking. Forgetting a few ingredients here and there, you know. Making it work. So, if you guys liked the video, and if you got anything out of it, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Until the next one, we're going to say happy camping and good eats.